In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Webull account if you're under the age of 18. Now, unfortunately, there is no built-in official way to do it, but here are a few workarounds that I highly suggest that you try. And the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is trade under a parent account. So if your parent or guardian, or let's say like an older brother or a uncle or even a trusted friend has a Webull account, they could allow you to make trades on their account with their permission. The account remains in their name and they are legally responsible for all trades and taxes on capital gains. So you will need to discuss tax implications with this person as profits are taxed in their name. So they need to pay the taxes from your account and your trades. Now, this approach can be simpler but requires trust and clear communication, as this account is legally not yours. So obviously there are a few drawbacks because this is not legally your account. So that is definitely something to consider. And again, if you're going to do this, you really want to make sure you do it with someone you absolutely trust. You would have to go with someone you completely trust, and it's really important that you pick someone that you trust. Otherwise, it could just cause an entire mess to, appear. But I know many of you guys watching this video probably don't like that idea. There is another thing that we could do, and that is to open a custodial account. So unfortunately, as of 2025 August, Webull does not offer any custodial accounts. So a custodial account allows people under the age of 18 to actually trade and begin investing. But the custodial account is managed by an adult until you reach the age of majority, which is like 18 or 21. So because Webull doesn't offer custodial accounts, you will need to use another brokerage like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, or E-Trade. And in my opinion, these other options are just as good, if not even better than Webull. And I think Charles Schwab is one of the best ones out there. It is considered one of the big three. Same with Fidelity. And I recommend that you guys go ahead and open an account with Charles Schwab or Fidelity because they actually allow minors under the age of 18 to invest under the condition that an adult is helping them and that an adult is looking over their account. And the point of this video is that I don't want your age to prevent you from investing. So if you're under the age of 18, don't let that stop you from investing in your future, because there's many other great options out there that are just as good, if not even better than Webull, that allow you to do options, futures, etc. So I really suggest that if you really want to make an account that is legally yours, then go ahead and use a brokerage like Charles Schwab or Fidelity. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.